Hey, I'm Matthew Palumbo with Stinger, and for some of you, this is the moment you've been waiting for. We are finally dropping the new SRX GM19128 multimedia kit for your late model GM truck. Now, this is not like all those other screens out there that you've seen. This is a big 12.8-inch vertical display, and because it's an SRX kit from Stinger, it's fully assembled, basically plug and play, ready to drop into your truck. So without further ado, let's crack open the box and take a look at what comes with this amazing screen. All right, so we've got everything unboxed, and now we're ready to take a look at what comes in this awesome kit. So first things first, we gotta start with this. This is the main dash panel assembly for those GM trucks, and as you can see, it's got that absolutely enormous 12.8-inch screen, and it's set vertically in this truck, which is a cool kind of modern touch. It's a big upgrade over that factory little 7 or 8-inch display. Now, as you'll see, we've even gone through the trouble to factory match the volume knob. It's got the same little ridges as the climate control knob. A lot of time and effort went into making this not just look like a big old tablet slapped on your dash, but making it appear like it really belongs in your truck. On top of that, we've got all of the necessary trim panels here. So we include these nice, gloss silver trim panels. Once the installation is complete, these are going to snap into place on the trim like so, and finish this out and make it look really, really nice. Included in the kit, of course, is all the wiring harnesses that you'll need. So you've got your main harness here that's going to go from the brain of the unit, which is this little box right back here. That's going to plug into your factory vehicle wiring. We have our RCA connection harness. Now remember, Horizon radios have 8 channels of RCA output, so you are not just limited to front, rear, and subwoofer, but you can actually do top dash, front door, rear, and subwoofer, or something similar. We then have our camera harness. Now this is going to give you the opportunity to feed in up to 4 cameras. So you can do a front, turn signal left, turn signal right, and rear camera, or any combination of cameras. It does not have to be that specific layout. These also, on this plug, has the external mic connection, and this has your reverse cam audio input. So if you do want to do a reverse camera that has a microphone built in so you can hear what's behind the vehicle as well, you certainly can. Next up, we have our extension harness for the PAC module. Now this is what's going to link all that vehicle integrated information into the system and give you things like vehicle gauges, HVAC, pop-up menus, things like that on the screen. And this also has some of our accessory connections. So if you're going to do things like RGB lighting integrated into the system, we have a connector that plugs directly into the RGB LED lighting control module, and you have some additional options here for triggers, etc. We then have a connection cable for one of the modules that's included in the system as well. And we get into the plastics for mounting the factory switches back in order. And we've even included a nice flush USB-A and USB-C mount. So this is going to be one of your main connection points for the rear of the radio, and this allows us to flush mount them into this panel and make it look like a factory option. Now you may be thinking, well, that's round. My factory truck system had, a rectangular USB portion, and that's why we've also included a cool little bezel that'll actually snap into the lower dash location down here and house that original cigarette lighter plug or 12-volt socket and your new USB. Going down the line, we also have the GPS antenna assembly so that we have speed and location-based information on the system. And we've included all the necessary adapters for maintaining the factory satellite radio antenna if you're going to do the Sirius XM upgrade tuner, and your AM/FM antenna adapter so you can utilize that factory antenna. And then we get into some of the other pieces in the system, like the main control unit. Now, keep in mind, with all Horizon radios, these are 2-piece systems. So the screen that's in the dash is just a screen, and then there's a single cable that goes from the screen to the hideaway module. This is where the majority of all your connections are going to happen. The beautiful part is it takes all of the wiring clutter out of the dash. These trucks don't have a ton of space behind this panel, so rather than trying to cram everything in there like most brands do when upgrading these stereo systems, we allow you to remotely mount this control module and get all of that stuff out of the way. It actually goes down inside the dash in the passenger footwell type location, kind of over by the glove box. Included in the kit, of course, then is the RadioPRO Advanced module from PAC. This is really what brings it all together. This is going to keep your steering wheel controls functional. This is going to maintain your factory backup camera if your truck came equipped. This is also going to make sure that everything works and does what it's supposed to. This is going to make sure that your turn signals still make noise when you put on a turn signal, or that you still have chimes when you leave the headlights on and open your door. It's going to power up the radio when it's supposed to. This is really the brains of the operation that take a otherwise universal radio system and make it function perfectly in your full-size GM truck. Now, included with that as well is our PAC Link. This is another key component. The PAC Link, although it's tiny in size, it's a really cool little module. This is what's going to bring all of that integrated info. You'll notice we call these integrated kits. That's because these don't just give you things like CarPlay and Android Auto and camera inputs. These also give you vital vehicle information integrated on the screen in a very factory style. So you've got things like climate control info. When you turn your fan speed or temperature control, a little pop-up menu comes up. You're not going to lose that with this kit. It's still going to pop up across the bottom of the screen. We're also going to get things like tire pressure information, which door is open, vehicle gauges and diagnostics. All of that information we're able to take from the truck and populate on the screen. It's very, very cool. Lastly, included in the kit is all of the necessary little bits and bobs that you're going to need to finish the installation. Screws, zip ties, all of the extra little pieces that we use to finalize the install. The last piece that I'll mention in this kit is also the external speaker. Now, some of you are wondering, why do I need an extra little speaker for this install? This is used when you're adding aftermarket amplifiers to the sound system. Now, to be clear, if you're planning on having the HORIZON12 power the speakers in your truck, you are not going to need this. It is going to be optional at that point. If you are going to use external aftermarket amplifiers to power up all the interior speakers, then this is where your door chimes, left the headlights on, turn signal, all of those types of buzzers, warnings, and chimes, all of those will be emitted from this little external speaker instead. Now, this gets hidden inside the dash. It's not something that you're going to see, even if you do end up needing it. To be clear on that external speaker, it's only necessary when using aftermarket amplifiers to amplify all of the speakers in the truck. So if you're going to have the HORIZON12 power your interior speakers, your door and dash speakers, but you're adding an amplifier for a subwoofer, you're okay. You do not need that external speaker, so just keep that in mind. All right, guys, well, that's it. You now know everything that comes in this awesome kit from Stinger. This is the SRX GM19128. Now, this gives you that 12.8-inch HORIZON12 display in your dash with all of its awesome features, and as you can see, everything you're going to need to get the job done. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I'm Matthew Palumbo with Stinger, and we'll see you on the next one.